welcome in, y'all. So I'm out here. I came out here to water, but I'm a little disappointed because one of my broccolis is starting to flower. So what I'm gonna do is harvest the other broccoli. I don't know if I should cut this off. The bees are on it, y'all. I don't know if I should cut it off or let it go. But I am gonna harvest the ones that's still green. Let me turn y'all around so y'all can see. So we are gonna get this one. But look at those. They starting to flower. I didn't know they go to seed that quick. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. And I'm pretty sure I can't. It's a big old doggone. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Y'all see the bees right there? So I planted this broccoli in July of last year. So let me show y'all my harvest. I brought it over here. I need to get me a harvesting bucket. So that one, and then all the rest of them are little pieces. Hey, that's a nice salad. Now let me check over here on this big boy that's been growing for a little while. Oh yeah, we have a head over here. So you know what? I'm gonna grab that one. Got him. Yeah. All right. I got a little piece right there. I should probably take that. Then we have some more broccoli growing over here. That's volunteers. Lord, not the weeds growing in the sand, y'all. Good Lord. Okay. All right. So that is it for the broccoli harvest. Excited about that. So here is my eggplant. We had one day where the temperature dropped down to 33 degrees, but the wind was so horrible. I think that's what did all the damage. But if you guys can see, I have a turmeric right here growing underneath there. My pak choi is going to seed. My beans have died. Oh, and I think my banana is gone, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, I think the whole thing is turning brown. The beans, yeah. That wind, I think the wind did it more than anything. That wind was horrible. It killed the squash right here. It killed the peas right here. But other than that, everything else is the same. And I was wondering, the other day I came outside and I left the water on, but the nozzle was off. And I thought, I don't know what I thought, but the hose is busted. So now I have to go and buy a new hose. So yeah, let's jump over that. And it was pretty cold because it killed the I forgot the name of it. And y'all, the older I get, it's like I cannot remember names of things. And it's not just with plants, it's with people too. I don't know if I need to take some vitamins or what, but it's really aggravating. So what I am going to do is go in and take this container right here and make sure they ain't got nothing crawled up in here. It's full of water, so probably not, but you never know around these parts. Take that off, and oh, that's pretty heavy. I need 2 hands. That's a 2-man. All right. Let's fix that. I want that plastic container out of there. What I'm gonna do is take that plastic, and I'm afraid to touch it. Take this plastic and spread it over this back area back there where my garden used to be. The first garden was. Sprayed it there to smother all of those weeds that's growing back there. So by the time the springtime comes, that will be then died off. Instead of me having to go in and weed eat, which I don't know if it's user error or what I'm doing with the weed eater, but every time I go in and add some more string to the feeder, as soon as I start weed eating, it's like it's eating up the string like that fast. And it's more aggravating than anything. So I'm pretty much done with that. I did turn that water off, right? I did. I also purchased some mulch. I'm going to come in. Well, I can't water this bed because I don't have a hose. I guess I'm just going to mulch it in for right now. I bought some mulch from Tractor Supply. I'm going to mulch this bed in to keep the soil moist. I'm going to come in and cover this one up with some, just overwinter all these beds. It's just time for them to go. Whatever is in here, pull it out, move it to another bed, or yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Whatever in this bed right here, pull it out and move it to another bed, or it's gonna be thrown in a compost pile. I'm thinking I want to throw this in the compost pile because it's just attracting whatever bug that is to it, and it's driving me crazy. My garlic is in there doing fine, and I think I might move whatever in this bed over to this bed. Order me some fabric, some garden fabric for this area, and finish this up for good. And then, oh no, look at my angel trumpet, y'all. See that wind. When I tell y'all that wind was a beast. As you can see, all of the plastic that was right here and right there. But look at my poor angel trumpet. the wind just tore it up. It was looking so beautiful. And look at it now. She was like, hey girl, I'm here. And I was like, hey girl, I see you. And now she like, hey girl, I'm hurting. And I can't do nothing for her because I don't have no water for her. Yeah. Okay, I need to move this up off of there. No, you is not gonna stick me today. Dag nabbit. Okay, I ain't playing with you today. Everything over here is looking pretty good. I think it's because this is against this fence and not that much wind hits it. Well, I can't say that because the angel trumpet is tore up. So, all the herbs over here is doing fine. I added some more stuff to my fertilizer, my super juice. Let me cover that. And, God, can I close it back up? There we go. Close that back up before somebody's critter be trying to get in there. So now I have to go and get me another hose, y'all. Good Lord. All right, I'm going inside. I came out here to water the garden and I cannot do that. Look at the wind. Tore my bananas up. Yeah.